I will introduce you how to introduce yourself in this lesson. Please read this. はじめまして。It means how do you do or pleased to meet you. You can always say this to the person you meet for the first time. In English, you often say, "It was nice to meet you" as you leave. But in Japanese, you say はじめまして as soon as you meet the person. Let's say it again. はじめまして. Very good. Next, it's quite long, but please read. 私の名前は夏子です。First, 私の means my. 名前は means name is. So, は is a particle. And then, Natsuko is my name, Natsuko. The last, des, is the way we say after nouns or adjectives to be polite. I will say again, please just listen to me first. 私の名前は夏子です。Now, you can put your name instead of my name. Let's say one by one. Please repeat after me. 私の名前は and then your name. です。Very good. So now let's put all together and say hold the sentence. So I will say my name, but please say your name as you repeat. Let's say it again. 私の名前は夏子です。Well done. Then the last, please read. よろしくお願いします。This direct translation is please treat me well. It's actually used in many occasions, but when it's used in the introduction, it's often translated nice to meet you because we use this phrase when you see people for the first time together with はじめまして as a set. But this phrase is normally used after you finish all introduction. Please remember to use the phrase at the end of introduction. Let's say it again. よろしくお願いします。Very good. You learned 3 phrases of introducing yourself. はじめまして。私の名前は夏子です。 よろしくお願いします。In the next lesson, you will practice more some greeting phrases that you learned in the previous lesson. じゃあまた。